Let's learn some colors name. Pink color, yellow color, brown color, red color, blue color, parrot color, black color. Let's learn some alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R. Thanks for watching.